Hello everyone, welcome to this session. And in this session I am going to start a new chapter of class 9th math, chapter number 3, coordinate geometry. Alright, so first of all I am going to explaining the basic concept of coordinate geometry. Okay, so the first is explaining what is a coordinate system. Okay, coordinate system, coordinate system. So let us consider a two number line. The one is horizontal and other is vertical. Okay, so first is a vertical whose name is x dash, and mark a point on equal interval. Okay, so this is a 0, and starting from 0 on right side, taking positive direction, this is +1 +2 +3 +4, and on left side -1 -2 -3 -4, and the horizontal line x does divide the plane in two equal part, and also take another line which is vertical whose name is y dash, and also mark point on equal interval. This is 0 1 2 3 4, and this is -1 -2 -3 -4. Okay, now combining these two lines, horizontal x dash, y dash, in such a way the 0, okay, where 0 cross to each other. So let us see, after combining these two lines, x dash, y and y dash. Okay, this is 1 2 3 4 -1 -2 -3 -4, and this is 1 2 3 4 -1 -2 -3 -4 -4. Okay, so this is a figure obtained after combining these two lines, x dash and y dash, at point O. Okay, so this point, the point where the point O, the point 0, where x dash, y and y dash combining, so this point is called origin. Okay, this is called origin, and these two lines dividing the plane of paper are plane in 4 equal part. Okay, here we can see these two lines divided the whole plane in 4 equal part. Now here the line x and x dash. Okay, the line x and x dash is called x coordinate. X and x dash is called x axis. Okay, and here the line y dash is called y axis. Okay, The horizontal line x dash is called x axis. The vertical line y and y dash is called y axis. The intersection point here 0 is called origin and it is denoted by O. Okay, intersection point is called origin, it is denoted by O. Here on this axis the positive number lie on OX and OY of the the positive number lie on OX and OY. So this is called this is called positive direction. So this is called positive direction of x and y axis, and similarly the negative number lie on the O x dash and O y dash. So this is called x and y axis negative direction. Okay, here we can see the number line on OX and OY is positive, so this is called positive direction of x and y axis. Here the negative number lie on OX dash OY dash, so this is called negative direction of x and y axis. And also see these two lines divide the whole plane in 4 equal parts. Okay, the whole plane, two axes divide the whole plane in 4 equal parts, and each part is called quadrant. Okay, each part is called quadrant. So now taking in anti-clockwise from OX, so this is first quadrant. Okay, this is second quadrant, this is third quadrant, and this is fourth quadrant. And this configuration is called coordinate system. Okay, this configuration is called coordinate system, or XY plane or Cartesian plane. Okay, this configuration is called XY plane, Cartesian plane, and also Cartesian plane, XY plane. This configuration is called. Okay, the next I am going to explain coordinates of a point. Okay, coordinates of a point. How to represent a point in a Cartesian plane. Coordinates of a point. So in Cartesian plane we have to locate only ordered pair of number. Okay, ordered pair of number. So what is ordered pair? Any number or any two objects written in a specific order in this form. Suppose the first object is x and second is y. So this specific order is called order pair. In order pair, the x is a first component, is called first component or first member, and y is called second component or second member of the ordered pair. So this type of number represented in Cartesian plane. So if we want to locate x, y in Cartesian system, so first we draw a Cartesian plane. This is x dash, x, y, y dash. Okay, this is origin represented by O, and the coordinate of origin is 0, 0. So first starting from O, move x unit to positive direction of x axis. So suppose first move on x axis, and after that turn to move right up to y direction at y unit. Okay, so this is the representation or location of the point P, whose coordinate is x, y. Okay, so in ordered pair x, y, x is called x coordinate, are also called abscissa. Okay, x coordinate is also called abscissa, and y is called y coordinate. Y coordinate are ordinate. Okay, y coordinate are ordinate. Suppose we want to represent 2 minus 3, 2, 3. So first starting from, this is 1, 2. So starting from origin, move 2 unit on positive direction of y axis, and after then 3 unit negative positive direction to y axis. So this point show the location of the point 2, 3. So this is 2, 3. Okay, now I am going to explaining sign of quadrant. Sign of quadrant. Sign of quadrant. So this is Cartesian plane. These two lines, which is mutually perpendicular, divide the whole part in 4 equal parts, and each part is called quadrant. So this is first quadrant, second quadrant, third quadrant, and fourth quadrant. Okay, x, O, x dash, y, y dash. If x is greater than 0, y is greater than 0, so this is represent first quadrant. In first quadrant, the both x's are positive, so we have to represent the positive ordered pair number in first quadrant. To locate the positive ordered pair number in first quadrant, if x is less than 0 and y is greater than 0, this represent second quadrant, and in second quadrant the sign of convention is negative positive. So only negative and positive ordered pair. Okay, negative and positive number of ordered pair represented in second quadrant. In third quadrant the sign of convention, here x is less than 0 and y is also less than 0. X less than 0, y less than 0 represent third quadrant, and in third quadrant both axis is negative. Okay, ox dash and oy dash. So this is minus minus. The sign of the third quadrant is minus minus. So only minus minus of the ordered pair number represented in third quadrant. Fourth quadrant. In fourth quadrant, x is greater than 0, y is less than negative. So in fourth quadrant the sign of convention of the ordered pair is positive comma negative. So positive negative number of the ordered pair represented located in fourth quadrant. Okay, so this is, remember that in first quadrant the ordered pair positive taken, positive taken. In second quadrant the ordered pair taken negative and positive. In third negative negative, and fourth positive and negative. Okay.